today it's the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. And look at this in Butler, it says 1992 here. So, well, we have Pohtolankatu 29 B here, and this was finished in 1993. And yeah, it's in Lintulampi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Lintulampi, and close to Lintulampi and Niemenranta, towards which the Tampere light rail line is extended to by 2024. And serial number is B1ND1341, and it is built in early 1993. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 rooms with 5 floors. Faster, probably. Just like I say, it's faster, so maybe this one also.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2023, but it's starting 30 years old. Amazing.
Respektiivt paikkivaiskutaan, että meidän paikka on.
Yeah. Luckily this doesn't close automatically.
Yeah.
Like the aim. That's it, and thank you very much for watching. Please also watch this video.
That's